Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. So today we're in my bathroom and I'm going to give it a good deep clean, and I'm going to also give it a refresh as far as decor and everything. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope your week has been off to an amazing start, and I hope you all are in good health. If you're new here, or this is the first time seeing me, welcome. My name is Trina. I love to share a lot of home decor on my channel. I do a lot of decorating. I also do some cleaning videos as well. So I hope you will stay and subscribe and become part of our decorating family. And to all my beautiful subscribers, hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Thank y'all for stopping by and watching another video. I seen this little scrubber tool all on TikTok and also on Instagram, so I wanted to give it a try to clean my bathroom tile, and I have to actually say it is a lifesaver. It makes it so easy to get up here and just deep clean my tile that's in the shower area. It was so hard before, but this just makes it easy. It is a Amazon seller that sells this product, so I'll have it linked down in the description box below if you guys are interested. It does come with several different attachments as well, so you can use it for multiple different areas in your home, not just your bathroom. Today's video is being sponsored by Proven Skincare. So Proven Skincare is the world's most personalized skincare with an approach that's completely backed by data. So Proven's custom skincare kit consists of 3 products. So you'll get your custom cleanser, you'll get your custom day moisturizer with SPF, you'll also get a custom night cream as well. And when I say custom, that means that everything is specifically tailored to your skin, your needs based on the skin genome quiz results that you selected. I have very oily skin, and sometimes that can leave my pores clogged and cause me to have breakouts. So I had the chance to use Proven skincare routine for about 2 weeks now, and I absolutely love the results. I love that it leaves my skin feeling fresh and clean, and also how bright it has making my skin look over the last 2 weeks. I love that the cleanser is very lightweight, it's not greasy. Only thing is it doesn't give a lather. So as you can see when I put it on in the previous clip, it just it almost acts as if you're just putting like a moisturizer on your face to me. But I absolutely love it that it doesn't dry out my skin, and it doesn't make my skin feel or look overly oily. One thing I did love about their skincare kit is that it does come with a nightly moisturizer. I love putting this on my face, especially as you get older and you start to age. You want to maintain the elasticity and the firmness in your skin. So I love putting on some type of moisturizer or night cream at night. So I was really happy that Proven actually included one of these night creams inside of their skincare regimen. Proven is also giving all of my subscribers 50% off of your first order. So make sure you use my discount code decorating99 to save 50% off your order. That's over $100 saving. So make sure you check the description box down below and use my special discount code to save 50% off of your order. And thank you to Proven for sponsoring today's video. On my shower, I did use the Kaboom foaming spray, which works excellent. I love that you just spray it on. It comes on purple and then it turns white when it's ready to be cleaned off. But for all of the glass surfaces and artwork pictures that I have in here, I'm just using my multi-purpose spray. This is in the Method brand, and then this is in the scent lavender. It works really well for getting your surfaces clean and just getting all the dust and everything removed off of your items. I am going to go ahead and clean the toilet off camera. I just don't like cleaning the toilet on camera, so I did go ahead and take care of that outside of the video. And then I have these little art prints over here that I'm going to be using that same multi-purpose spray just to get all the dust and everything off of it.
Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
So I'm just taking some bleach wipes, and I'm just using that to just bleach off all of the knobs and everything, just to disinfect everything, the areas that we would touch on an everyday basis. And then I'm going to go in with my multi-purpose spray and just clean the surface of the vanity. And then for the top, I'm going to use that same Kaboom that I use on the shower to disinfect the sink and clean the countertop. You're like a stone on my pillow.
a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
I do like cleaning my floors and everything, going over it with the broom first in the bathroom because you always have like hair and all that stuff that be on the floors. So I always like to go in first with the broom and get up the heavy stuff, and then I'll go in with the vacuum cleaner just to kind of give it a finished once over before I actually start to mop.
But there's something about you, something about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
And then for my mop today, I'm just going to use my Swiffer. I love using these when I want to do a quick job just so I can hurry up and get everything done fast. I do use my steam mop on a regular basis as well, but this time I'm just going to use my Swiffer just to kind of go over and disinfect everything.
Something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
I really enjoy adding pops of plum and beautiful purple to my living space for fall this season. So I'm going to add in these florals and this vase. This vase is very old. I don't even remember where I got it from, but these floral stems did come from Michael's. I have several of them throughout my home that I've been using and placing around my home for fall, and I just absolutely love the pop of color. I love refreshing the towels on a regular basis because they do become worn and they just start to lose their softness and everything. So I do like to replace them every now and then. So these towels are from Target. I absolutely love the gray and white, and it has like a little small floral print on it, so it fits well with my bathroom. And then from open shelving, I just added some bins down here that I use to store extra toiletries in. And then I'm just going to add in some extra bath towels and then a little bit of decor to the top. That is it for today's video, you guys. Thank you again to Proven Skincare for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to use my discount code Decorating99 to save 50% off your order. I hope you all have a beautiful rest of your day. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.